The adoption of electric vehicles, or EVs, is starting to accelerate, as I'm sure you've started to notice around your city and neighborhood. With more EVs being driven, more EVs need to be produced, resulting in more special materials being taken from the earth. One component of the EV that demands a lot of these materials is the battery. At some point, all the batteries being produced today will need to be replaced. So this raises the question, what should happen with the used ones? Is there a way to reutilize those batteries? Through TerrePower's sustainable manufacturing process, there is a solution. The TerrePower team has developed a way to take used batteries and give them a second life. Whether we return them to a vehicle, have them power our cities, or even find a way to store energy from solar farms, the team at TerrePower makes sure they don't go to waste. Let's maximize the value of EV products and create a sustainable EV transition. We are building the circular economy. We are TerrePower.